Welcome back to my channel. My name is OMOBOLANLE today. As you can tell from the title, this is a fashion overhaul video, and I got some clothes from Fashion Over. I'm so excited because this is my first ever fashion overhaul video, or this is my first ever haul video. I'm excited to even try them on myself. I'll just like to ask you guys to please subscribe, like my video, and check out my other videos too if you haven't. I got this jacket, which is like the most expensive thing I got. I think so. Okay, first of all, this jacket stinks. Like, I don't know if, I think it's the fur, but it actually smells. Nice. Yeah. Probably not going to wear it like this. Oh yeah, follow me on my Instagram to see how I style my clothes and how I wear them. Yeah, so it's not bad. It's a good jacket. Like, it's not bad at all. It's actually not bad. It's really nice. Okay, I spent my money right. I think I can button it as well too. Oh, and I got this jacket in a small, I think. Yeah, I got this jacket in a small. Alright, another thing I got was this top, crop top. It's really nice. I love it. I'm so happy. And I also got these pants. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Although I got this in a medium, and I feel like it's a bit loose around the stomach side. Like, it looks very funny. I wish I could, because see, this is the last part of the belt and it's still like very free and all. But I'm not mad at it. I was trying to order the small when it got sold out. Like, I already kept it on my cart and it got sold out. So yeah, whatever. But I'm still not mad at it. I love it so much. Like, I'm in love. I love this so much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh my god. You guys, this is the best pair of jeans I have right now. Like, you guys don't even know how happy I am right now that I have like a perfect jeans. Like, length is it's a bit too long. I'll show you guys. It's a bit too long, but I can still fold it or pull it up. Like, it's so nice. Like, I'm so happy. Really nice. Fashion Over, you killed it. No, like, you guys are the goats. Okay, I actually need to get this in other colors like black, lighter blue, dark blue, washed, everything. I have to get to this pair. Like, this, like, can't you see? I love this top so much. I actually feel like it looks better on me than it looks on the model because, like, I'm not trying to stop anyone, but it's actually true. Like, I actually like it better than I liked it on the site when I saw it. Yeah, I like the fact that you can make it like long if you want, you can make it short according to your body type, you know. And I feel like because I have like a shorter torso, crop, a little bit of crop top looks nice on me. Like, it makes my shape look better. I have no complaints at all. Like, it's super nice. Even the back is nice. Everything is nice. I love the length, I love the color, I love everything about this one. It actually looks as if I borrowed some jeans to wear, like some really short. It's ankle, but like, it's not holding it. It's just like flying, and my legs looks like fish, like this fish like shape thing. Like, I'm not even trying to be funny, but like, it's not nice. It's ugly as fuck. I don't like it, and it looks really cheap. Like, the ribs and everything doesn't look nice at all. That's why I'm like, I'll show you guys how it looks on the side. It looks really nice, and like, this one is just not nice at all. I don't really like it at all. I would advise you to buy this one. You guys, this top. This top is actually nice. I love it so much. I love the material because it's way thicker than the other ones I got. Like this one is so thick and it's nice. Like it doesn't feel cheap at all. I really like it. I like the fact that I can also tie it here. This one is a mid-rise jeans, so it's not high waist. So this one I know that it's mid-rise, not like the other one. That one they said high waist, but it was like this. But this one is mid-rise, so that means I have to wear like a belt. It's also a size 5. Even if I feel like this stomach part is like coming to like, it's not fair to my, like it's not really my size. So like you can see this part squeezing up and all of that. Oh my god, you guys, everything about these jeans is nice. Like the ribs, everything just looks so nice. So happy I got it. So you guys, I also ordered like a pair of leggings from Fashion Nova and it's so nice. Like it's actually so nice. This is like my new favorite pair of leggings that I have. It's so nice and it's not see-through as my other one I got from H&M. Like it's really nice and soft. I love it so much. Love it. I don't know, it can also fit someone that even wears large because it's so stretchy and the material feels like really soft and nice. Like you can literally sleep on it. Like it's so nice and I love it so much. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Please make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below your favorite outfit and which one do you think you like more on my body type, or which one do you think looks better on me. And let me know which other, like if you guys want me to review like Pretty Little Things, AliExpress, Zaful, Misguided or Boo, just let me know and see you guys later. I'll catch you guys later, okay?